Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0113S, in color code 004. It's a black gold color frame. It has the Bumblebee logo on both sides of the frame. On the temples, it's a gold temple with a double GG Gucci logo on the side, and the Bumblebee logo at the end of the temples with the brown color. This frame is made in Japan. The lenses are a gray gradient color, with the Gucci logo engraved on the top right lens. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchase, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.